Alright, gang. We are back finally with some more Crash. I hope everybody is normal. Yeah, we'll see how much we can get done tonight. We did have this really sad Scotsman come in near the end of the shift, and it was like real depressing. Oh, I need your help, sir. Please, I'm in so much trouble. Please, I just need a wee bit of your time, sir. Oh, I'm in so much trouble here. It reminds me of Obi-Wan Kenobi when he was all like whining about having to kill Anakin Skywalker. Don't make me do it, Yoda. Don't make me kill any. Hello, Vanny, slap me, brother. Yeah, it was just like that. 10 lives. Offbeat. Mosquito Marsh. Los skates. Alright, let's lose our minds. With some big dumb... Why is Crash so stupid? I don't even want to use him. I'd so much rather use this shit. Oh. Oh, that's right, that's right. I'm not trying to get all the boxes. That's like... No. Not now. That's like a later time thing. I really like that wanted does there, that like weasel or something it's like it's supposed to be. I could get up on top of that. Oh. Alright, there's stuff I can do in this game, right? Isn't there? Sorry, just gotta refresh my memory. How did I ever do that slide jump? No. Alright, close enough. Is there a way to run in this game? Oh. That's not possible. I don't know. Oh. Oh, shit. Okay. Okay. Duh. Why was that so hard for me? No one wants these dumb nitro boxes anywhere. Damn it. What if I don't want to get near Cannon Head? What if I find that disgusting? Oh, that's so disgusting. Oh, it's not his head? Oh, it's even more disgusting. Really? Come on. Alright, what's the penalty for just standing on this? He's gotta do something, right? Can you just stand there? You again. Oh. This button, yeah. Can you use these to, like, bounce? Like, oh, I guess that's not a thing. Anyone ever see Big? Don't, it's a real perverted game. Oh no. Oh, bastard. Oh, come on. I timed that wrong. Oh, wow. Oh, wait. Okay, dude. Screw this game. Okay, I want you. And then I don't want to be stupid. Here, wait. There's a checkpoint here now? Is this game just, like, get easy for you if you keep dying? I don't get why there is a checkpoint there now. Thank you. Oh shit. Thank you. Do I? Oh, blue mask. Alright, I'll try this once. Oh, blue mask. I said I'll try it once. Honestly, I'm terrified of this blue mask. Yeah, don't confuse me at all, game. No one wants to be confused. Oh. Oh, dude, no one wants to get in your dong head. Oh. Awesome. No. So what do we got here? A bunch of weird, confusing shit. Okay, cool. Alright, that wasn't so bad. Alright, do I want you there, or you there? I don't even know. What the? Oh, down. How do you go down again? Oh, man. Oh, shit. You ass again! That? No. No? You mask. Oh, wait, what? No. Just finish the level so I don't have to do it all over again. Oh, good. Shit. I don't like this. What is that? Oh shit! Kidding me. All right. Well, whatever. Beat the level. Okay, next level. Of course, everything's always normal. Wait, what was that? The hell was that?
Slogging centipede gumbo.
A crocodile with an Australian accent? That's racist.
Well, now, what have we got here?
The fuck is this guy? It's not. I thought that was good TNT. Can you suck it up? And then what? Spit it back? He's like the princess from Super Mario. He's exactly like the princess in almost every single way. Ha, sucker.
Bastards. They'll get every last one of yous.
Like, jump on his back or... Does he suck those up too? Ah, okay. The in-between
I made all
worlds.
them tablecloths myself.
Look at me, the champion of all times. Look at the accuracy on that. The greatest of all time. So I have to hold it. The greatest of all time. Oh, this is not a good place. Oh. Okay, now we're gonna. Now we're going to. That's what I meant to say. And then we. Wonderful. Oh, you bastard! Use your. Okay, let's never do that again. Am I gonna have to take an eye on these? Man, you guys are punks. I don't know if this is how you're supposed to do it.
Blimey.
This is how I'm doing it. Get out of my life, buddy. Do I want those boxes? No. I don't care about boxes. Except for maybe those. What's over there? Something good over there? Or is it the good stuff over here? That looks like the way I'm supposed to go. This looks like a diamond way. Maybe not. Maybe not. What are you doing? Oh, dude. You barely survived that. Whoa, 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 didn't see you. Oh, bastard. That sucked. Sheesh. Oh. Where did this checkpoint come from? Wait, I don't know. I'm done trying to figure out. The game cheats for you. Oh, dude. How did you survive that? Expert gaming. That's how I survived that. Give me your box. Give me your box. What was the point of that? I wonder. Nothing. There's a checkpoint there. Who cares? Oh, you guys. Just gonna hook it.
How do you like them wampus?
You champion. Okay, Coco. Here. Let's go! Wait, what? No. Dodge all of you. I don't like orbiting these friggin' with whirlpools. Get out of my face, but... Oh, no. How do you get up there? Get on the ramp. Get on the ramp. This time. Oh, you bastard. Okay, we'll try this once. Just once. TNT, some other stuff. Is it 3, 4, and the 5th one? Yeah. Oh, get out of here. Tried it once. Alright. No. Get out of here. Okay, I got it. I got it. Oh, get off me. I mean, get on me. Get on me! Alright. Look at this. I had so much better luck with the Croc Man. Okay, timing it. Timing it. Okay, we're timing this one now. We are timing this, everybody. No. No. Oh. That is not timed. That's not timed properly. It was timed perfectly, actually. This is... Alright, we're gonna be patient here. And we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait for this thing. Oh. Oh man. I've gotta go. Eesh. Give me a checkpoint. There we go. It's over now. Oh, it's over now. As long as I don't run into Blue Mask, I think I'll be okay. Wait, up or down? Up, down? Wait, what? What? Crawl? Oh. Oh. It's like a swampy Ewok village map. Okay, we gotta use concentration on this one. Oh, did you see that concentration? I just see it. I'm just gonna lay low right now. Lay low. Whew. And then that level's done. Gotta be done. That was... Oh, man. I'm probably gonna have to do this level over again, man. That's not fair. That's not cool. Holy, get out of here. I need that, I need that. I need that. What are you doing there, Trash? Ow. Get out of my face, get out of my face. This is not cool, man. Just right around here. No! So if I just wait, you guys can destroy it. And yes, let's finish this. Haha, sucker game. So I am gonna call it quits here. But yeah, thanks for joining me and staying on.